Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: app updated, signed into the correct account, and contacts permissions enabled. Once done, open the phone or messaging app and go directly to settings, no detours. Tap blocked contacts or numbers to view the list. This is the action point. You are moving from prep into execution. Make sure you note whether the list shows names, numbers, or both, because that affects how you search and restore the right entry. You now remove the block. Tap the contact or number and choose Unblock or Remove. This restores inbound communication immediately. Once you unblock, check the Contacts app to ensure the number maps to the correct name. If not, edit the contact so future calls show ID. Next, force a sync with the account to propagate changes across devices. Make sure to wait a few seconds, and then refresh the app. This guarantees the unblock is recognized by cloud services. You finish by verifying the restore. Make a test call or send a short text from the restored contact to confirm connectivity and correct caller ID. If messages still fail, clear the app cache, restart the phone, and resync contacts. These simple steps often resolve stale data issues. And if it still fails, check carrier-level blocks and any account or spam filter rules. They can override app settings. If necessary, contact app support or your carrier for a final escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.